Hello, I'm Dr. Mao. Welcome to episode 6 of Monday Meditations with Dr. Mao. Today, I will show you, through a meditation practice, how to send healing energy to anyone. During this time of social distancing, you may want to send healing energy to a family member, a friend, or a loved one, but cannot get close to them. Sounds impossible? Not at all. Chinese medicine has long known the existence and uses of energy for health and healing. Acupuncture is a treatment system based on energy medicine. We call this energy qi, or life force. What's well known within Chinese medicine is that each human also possesses and is capable of generating the same electromagnetic energy that's all around us, and the ability to apply it for healing. Studies on meditation conducted at Harvard Medical School show that meditation in highly trained monks changed not only functions, but also the structures of the brain, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. The same phenomenon can be applied to another person. Studies of intercessory prayer, which is when a person prays for another. Studies show that the person being prayed for had better health outcome than those not prayed for. Just like transmitting electric signals through fiber optic or copper wires, we too can transmit healing energies to others far away. At Dala Wellness, we practice acupuncture and Chinese medicine, which is firmly rooted in energy medicine. When I put an acupuncture needle into an acupoint on your body, I'm sending signals to activate your own healing energies. We also provide infinity energy healing sessions, which is energy acupuncture without needles. And in this time of social distancing, we can do it remotely. If you're interested to receive energy healing sessions, just schedule an appointment with our office. The fact is, we are surrounded by energy, mainly solar radiation from the sun, which includes visible light, ultraviolet light, infrared, radio waves, X-rays, and gamma rays. These are collectively called electromagnetic energy. The Earth also has an electromagnetic field, or EMF, which pulses at 7.83 Hertz. Energy medicine is extensively used in Western medicine, too, ranging from, on the diagnostic side, X-rays, CT scans, and magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, and ultrasound, which besides its diagnostic use, it's also used for treatment of sprains and strains. And on the treatment side, there's lasers for surgery, proton beam radiation for cancerous tumors, electroconvulsive therapy for mental illness, and transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, or TENS for short, for pain relief. These diagnoses and treatment usually involves sophisticated and expensive equipment and devices, and specialized training and long years of medical schooling. Today, I'm happy to share with you a simple meditation technique so you can work on your own ability to send healing energy. This meditation is part of the 8 Pillars of Taoist Meditation program offered through International Taoist Meditation Institute. If you're interested in signing up for the 8 months online training program taught by me and Olivia Rosewood, please go to collegeoftao.org. That's collegeoftao.org for more information. Are you ready? First, obtain permission from the person on what you're about to undertake on their behalf. With their consent, you're now ready to send him or her healing energy. Just sit up and relax. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale and fill up your abdomen and focus on the lower energy center below your navel, called dantian. And exhale. Empty your abdomen completely. Be sure you empty, otherwise you cannot refill. Go ahead and exhale a little more. Now inhale once again and fill your chest, your lungs with life-giving oxygen, and let it permeate every cell of your body from head to toes and fingertips. And focus on the heart. This is your middle dantian energy center. Now exhale. Eliminate carbon dioxide and toxins. And remember, you must exhale completely. So go ahead and exhale and push out the CO2 and exhale some more. Inhale, breathe chi energy, the life force, into your entire being. Focus on your forehead or the upper dantian energy center. And now exhale and let go and clear any blockages from your being. Now open your heavenly eye, locate in your forehead, and connect with the light of the North Star or Polaris, building a light bridge between your heavenly eye and the North Star. Focus on this light in your mind's eye until it's very, very bright. At this point, visualize sending this light to the person you want to help and heal, and envelop him or her in this bath of light, and use it to clear any darkness or shadows from their body. Continue your visualization while maintaining your meditation for up to 30 minutes. To conclude, inhale and bring focus back to your upper dantian in your forehead and exhale. Then inhale, bring your focus back to the middle dantian in your chest and exhale. Inhale now and return your focus and gather your energy back to the lower dantian in the abdomen and exhale. This concludes the meditation practice. Ask for feedback from the person you've sent healing energy. Then repeat the meditation. It may take several attempts to get positive feedback, but obviously, like all things in life, when you develop proficiency of a certain practice, the results will become more predictable. Through diligent study and practice of a specialized training program of Qigong meditation, which are body-mind practices, you too can master self-healing and perform energy acupuncture without needles within yourself and for others. This professional training program takes about 3 years, and it's called Infinite Qi Energy Healing. If you're interested, visit collegeofdao.org for more information. I hope you found this meditation helpful. I encourage you to go back and revisit the other meditations in this series. Until next time, be safe, stay calm, and maintain your wellness.